Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by opening Telegram and going straight to Settings, Privacy and Security. Once there, tap Passcode Lock to see the current state. If a passcode is already set, you will be prompted to enter it. Do that now. If not, choose Enable Passcode and decide between numeric PIN or biometric unlock where supported. Make sure your device biometrics are active in system settings. Otherwise, Telegram won't offer that option. This step primes the app for changing or removing the lock. Once you're inside Passcode Lock, decide Change, Disable, or Reset. Choose Change Passcode to enter your current PIN, then type a new one twice for confirmation. To remove protection, tap Disable Passcode and verify with your PIN or biometrics. If you forgot the passcode, don't panic. Telegram requires account verification. Go to Devices or use your linked phone number to log out other sessions and re-enable security. Make sure to set a memorable but secure PIN after recovery to prevent repeats. Finish by testing the lock. Lock Telegram, then unlock using the new PIN or biometrics to confirm success. Once done, review auto-lock timeout and notification settings so sensitive previews stay hidden. If something fails, first update the app and reboot your device. Then repeat the steps carefully. If the passcode still won't accept and you cannot verify your account, use Telegram support for account recovery, but only after exhausting device and app fixes. That one troubleshooting tip saves time and prevents data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.